So yes, we're back here in the kitchen, and you're probably wondering what just happened. Well, it is now 8:37 my time, Pacific, and you ever wonder how my steaks mainly turn out 90% of the time? Well, let me just show you. As I bring forth to thine eyes, to your eyes, for those who are hungry, this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Tenkai steak. This is exactly what I made right here. This is the fruits of my effort because I made this nice, beautiful gravy. It's perfect on so many levels. It's curled, but it's a nice kind of curve. And, well, I plan to serve this. But I not only plan to serve this, but I also plan to serve this. Excuse me while this is looking rather crooked, but here it is. This is the chicken Alfredo that I just cooked not too long ago. So this is what. And so as you see, it was 8:30. It was 6:30 when I started cooking. About an hour, which was 7:30, and basically I just waited until the kitchen had gotten quiet for me to come back in here. But as you can see, this is the finished project. The steak right here that I'm going to cut apart in pieces for my folks. I'm going to have something different than what they're having. But I am going to make a steak for myself. But I just wanted to show you exactly the finished project. And of course, the finished project. The finished project, as I step back, looks exactly like this. So with that, folks, I just gave you the recipe in the previous part. And this is the finished project as we speak. So I have been the Tenkai of cooking, otherwise known as the Tenkai Wonder Chef, and this was Tenkai steak and chicken Alfredo. Manja manja, enjoy. I'll see you with more videos. Take care and Tenkai Muso.